Hi, good day everyone, and today we're going to be discussing factorization, right? And let's check. So we're going to be dealing specifically with finding a common factor. So before we try and find a common factor, let's find out what a factor is, right? So firstly, a factor is a number or expression that when multiplied gives a number or expression, right? So let's check quickly an example. So examples of factors. So 2 times 3 are factors of 6, right? 2x times 6y are factors of 12xy, right? So let's try and find common factors. Let's do an example of trying to find the common factor, right? So we have this expression over here and we need to find the common factor. And as we can see that each of these specific values are divisible by are divisible by 2x, right? So we have 2 exists in this term, there's 2 in this term, and there's 2 in this term, right? At least 2, right? And x and x are at least in each of these terms over here, right? So let's try and go about doing these two expressions. So we will have 2x, which is the common factor. We remove the factor from here, and what's left over is x. We divide 2x by 6x and we left with 3, and we divide 2x by 8x and we left with 4, right? Let's try another example and let's see how do we go about doing this. So let's say, for example, we have the expression 6xy plus 3pz plus 6mj, right? And we can see 3 is a common factor of these 3 expressions, right? So when we divide this by 3, what gets left over is 2xy. We divide this by 3, what's left over is pz. We divide this by 3, and what's left over is 4mj. So that is it for finding the common factor. Next we will be discussing factorization by grouping. Thank you and goodbye.